dagdagan mo pa ng ibang mga kapamilya na umaasa din sa iyo, ay talaga naman pong mabigat at masalimuot na proseso. Remember that reality is, pag nag-retire ka, ang income mo tumitigil, ngunit ang mga gastusin mo ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Hi, this is Jung Fernando from Brandfair Financials. Usong-uso na po ngayon ang mga usapin katulad ng investments, portfolio management, at pagiging financially stable so you can retire early. Isa ka ba sa mga seryosong gustong makamit ang mga ito? Sa araw po na ito, tatalakayin natin ang mga signs kung saan ay maaari ninyong malaman kung ikaw nga ba ay handa nang mag-retire ng maaga. And so, when you're ready, let us begin. First sign is you are emotionally ready to quit working. Both the big picture and the fine details of your financial and emotional states ay mahalaga po to consider when assessing your readiness for early retirement. No-brainer na po kasi yung pagiging financially stable. Alam naman po kasi natin na importante po ito, pero ibang-iba rin naman po ang usapan. Yung bang magiging pakiramdam mo pagka nag-move on ka na sa bagong life chapter na ito. Yes, palagi po nating ikinatutuwa ang mga holidays at mga panahon pong wala tayong pasok sa opisina. Ngunit, natanong mo na din ba sa iyong sarili kung talaga bang nai-imagine mo na din na ikakaligaya mong hindi na pumapasok sa opisina araw-araw hanggang umabot po ito sa isang linggo o di kaya naman ilang buwan at ilang taon? For now, maybe you're always looking forward to declared holidays. But if you are suddenly forced to be on vacation for months and even years, will you still be as excited? Lalo na po kung knowing na wala ka nang gagawing gaano araw-araw. Kasi kung ikaw ay di pa po emotionally handang mag-quit sa mga nakasanayan mong routines at sa pagkakaroon ng isang busy or active na lifestyle, you may not be ready to retire just yet. Remember, in retirement kasi, every day is a holiday. And so the next one is number 2. You passed a simulated retirement budget. Ang mga gastusin mo may drop in retirement, pero not as much din as you might think ha. That's why testing out a practice retirement budget and living off that budget for at least 6 months before you actually retire can help you decide whether your budget is already realistic and if you can really stick to it. Magandang tratuhin ninyo ang exercise ng mga ganito as a serious trial run. If you can't do this for a minimum of 6 months na hindi po ginagalaw ang mga savings ninyo sa bangko or ang paghingi ng tulong sa pamamagitan ng mga credit cards to live, magandang sign ito na baka kayanin mo nang mag-retire ng mas maaga. To put that trial retirement budget together, you need to understand what your cash flow will be like after retirement. Ask yourself, magkanong pera ba ang kailangan mo every month, including the quarterly, the annual expenses, pati na din po ang mga unexpected ninyong gastusin. I-factor nyo na din po ang inflation. Remember, inflation may be low now, but it could easily go up and unexpectedly eat into your savings and increase the level of your expenses eventually. And so moving on, sign number 3 is you have a reliable health insurance coverage. Because most of our health or medical plans have limitations and insurance costs are rising faster than inflation, mahalaga po na meron kang reliable at consistent source of health insurance. While there are already a lot of affordable insurance products out there, karamihan po dito, if not all, ay stricto po pagdating sa pag-approve ng mga applications natin. Di po tama ang thinking na di mo naman kailangan ng health insurance basta ba ay may ipon ka. Kadalasan po kasi, isang matinding karamdaman lang ay maaari ka nang ma-wipe out pag wala ang mga ito. Tandaan nyo na ang pagre-retiro ng maaga ay nangangahulugan ring mas mahaba pa ang panahong tatakbuhin ninyo, kaya kailangan ay may protection din tayo sa mga bagay tulad nito. Sign number 4, which is your children or family are financially independent. Having children, especially in their school years, are very expensive. Dagdagan mo pa ng ibang mga kapamilya na umaasa din sa iyo, ay talaga naman pong mabigat at masalimuot na proseso. Remember that reality is, pag nag-retire ka, ang income mo tumitigil, ngunit ang mga gastusin mo ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Kaya nga po, mahalaga to ensure that you are financially independent at hindi lang po ikaw financially independent din po ang mga mahal mo sa buhay bago ka pa mag-isip mag-retire ng maaga. And so, last but not the least is number 5, your debts are paid off or nearly paid off. Ang isang malaking senyales na di ka ready mag-retire na maaga ay pag may obligasyon ka pang in the form of debts. Paying debts from a retirement budget cuts into what you can spend in retirement on doing the fun things that you've waited years to do. Not to mention paying for necessary items such as utilities, taxes, pagkain, and home maintenance. Alam niyo ba na isa pa sa mga importanteng guidelines for early retirement include asking yourself whether your home or car are already completely paid off. Aside from these major assets, also take into consideration if meron ka pa bang ibang mga pinagkakautangan bago ka pa mag-isip magretiro. In the end, dahil iba-iba naman po talaga ang standard of living ng mga tao, wala pong magic formula or amount na mag-automatically qualify sa atin for early retirement. That being said, a portfolio that is large and diversified by asset class can surely protect you. One gauge of whether or not you are ready to retire early is the amount you have saved as a multiple of your income. Ibig sabihin po nito, as a rule of thumb, you should have saved more than 5 times of your retirement income by your target retirement age upang po ay maiwasan ang pagsisisi later on. And so there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa simpleng video na ito. If you have friends or relatives who you think would be interested in these kinds of contents, we hope you can share this with them. And for those who haven't yet, please also like and subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channels, Rampver Financials, because when we grow our community, the more we could also help. Muli po, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.